Hello, welcome back today to the channel Neat Made Easy with Aisha. Today we are going to quickly learn how to draw the structure of nephron. As you can see here, I have put the 3 dots. If you follow these steps, it's very easy to remember and the diagram will be very neat and clean. See how it has been inverted, the cap-like structure, Bowman's capsule, and how the loop of Henle it's been twisted around the circle for the collecting duct. So if you make like this is how, if you draw it, it will be very easy for you to remember the diagram for a long duration. And for the network of blood vessels, you can just make some lines and connect with the efferent artery and renal artery, efferent artery, and the collecting duct easily knob. So this knob, to this knob only all the other nephron are being connected. As you know that nephron is a structural and functional unit of kidney. It is a chief excretory organ. It's a function. Nephron is a structure which help in the filtration and purification of the blood. Hence, you can see the labeling diagram, the cup-like structure called as Bowman's capsule, the network of blood vessels glomerulus, and the tubular portion is the proximal convoluted tubule, and to which it is connected a very thin tube-like structure from which the glomerulus filtrate pass is the loop of Henle. And from this the excess of water and other substances is being absorbed through the distal convoluted tubules, and finally it will be collected in a tube-like structure in the collecting duct. This collecting duct is connected to the pelvic region of the kidney, from where to the urethra and the urinary bladder, and then to the ureter. Thank you. If you like this, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. In just 2 minutes you can learn this. Until next time, thank you. Bye bye. I hope you like the video.